Welcome to AutoVibe. Today we're talking about 10 big mistakes that only careless car owners make. If you love your car and want it to last longer, make sure you're not making these mistakes. Let's get started with AutoVibe. 1. Revving the engine. When it's cold. A lot of people do this without realizing it. When you start your car in the morning and immediately step on the gas, you're damaging your engine. Your engine oil needs time to warm up and circulate properly. AutoVibe tip: let your car idle for at least 30 seconds to a minute before driving, and avoid hard acceleration when the engine is cold. 2. Ignoring oil changes. Motor oil is the lifeblood of your engine. But some people think it'll be fine for a few more months. Wrong. Dirty or old oil causes faster engine wear and expensive repairs. Change your oil every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers to keep your engine running smoothly. 3. Not using the parking brake. Especially for manual cars, this is a huge mistake. Parking on a hill without using the handbrake puts a lot of stress on your transmission and engine mounts. Always use your parking brake, even on flat surfaces, to avoid long-term damage. Big 4. Using cheap, low-quality fuel. Bad fuel ensures bad performance. Plus expensive repairs. Low-quality fuel can clog your injectors, reduce efficiency, and damage your engine over time. AutoVibe tip: always use high-quality fuel from trusted gas stations to protect your engine. 5. Hard braking and rapid acceleration. If you always slam the brakes or floor the gas at every stoplight, you're destroying your brakes and tires. Hard braking wears out brake pads faster, while aggressive acceleration increases fuel consumption. Drive smoothly and anticipate stops to extend your car's lifespan. 6. Skipping maintenance. "I'll fix it later" often turns into a very expensive repair. Regular maintenance checks help catch small problems before they turn into big ones. AutoVibe reminder: check your brake pads, oil levels, and filters regularly. 7. Ignoring tire pressure. Did you know incorrect tire pressure can waste fuel and reduce traction? Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and cause uneven wear. Overinflated tires led to poor handling and faster wear. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. 8. Using cheap motor oil. Cheap oil can cause excessive engine wear and poor performance. AutoVibe tip: use high-quality synthetic oil recommended by your car manufacturer. 9. Turning the steering wheel to the limit and holding it when parking. If you turn your steering wheel all the way to one side and hold it there, you're putting too much pressure on the power steering system. Always ease off the steering wheel slightly to prevent unnecessary wear. 10. Never washing your car. A dirty car isn't just ugly, it's damaging. Dirt, bird droppings, and road salt can lead to paint damage and rust over time. AutoVibe tip: wash your car at least once a month and use wax or sealant to protect the paint. Conclusion: if you're doing any of these things, stop now. Taking care of your car saves you money and keeps your ride in top shape. Subscribe to AutoVibe for more car tips and drop a comment below if you've made any of these mistakes before. See you in the next video.